Hello, I am capital letter Q.
Hi, letter Q. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter Q.
Hi, small letter Q. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am quarrelsome letter Q. That's who I am. Q, Q, Q. Let's say Q. We are quarrelsome Qs. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. Q, Q, Q. Let's clap our hands to letter Q.
Q, Q, Q. Let's clap our hands to letter Q.
Who are you?
I am Queen Tessa, the quick-witted, quarrelsome queen. I live in the palace.
What is this?
Quail. The quail family. It's a happy family of quails. The plump parent quail and its 3 chicks are settled comfortably in a soft, dry nest made of golden straw. They look safe and warm in the family nest.
What is this?
A cheerful quail is standing next to a big silver coin. He is curiously inspecting the shiny metal object. It's a $quarter, believe it or not. The inkwell is filled with purple ink. Next to it is a beautiful quill. The quill is writing Queen. 4 plump golden quinces hang from a branch. They shine magically with a soft, warm glow. The jars of quince jam are waiting nearby on a windowsill. It's an image that makes you want to taste one.
You see a kind-faced queen. She is sitting gracefully in a garden green. She wears a simple golden crown and a quilt. Over her lap is made of colorful patches of blue, red, and yellow. She smiles gently, looking down at a small quail. A cheerful duck with a wide, open beak is on a compound. It is happily making a loud noise. Quack, quack. Nearby, a frog with its finger to its lips is saying, quiet. What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter Q today. Queen, quail, and quince. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late for letter U. It will be great.